3 months into total darkness, surrounded by screaming wind and splintering wood, a desperate crew prepared to murder their captain. Vasco da Gama led a mission that violently shattered global boundaries, driven by a near-suicidal mandate to reach the East at any cost. The sheer ruthless willpower required to survive this specific disaster provides a lens through which we can see how our modern, interconnected world was forged. In 1497, the Ottoman Empire maintained an absolute monopoly over these specific red-lined routes. They functioned as the primary land arteries of the Silk Road, effectively choking off Europe's access to the East. At the time, black pepper and cinnamon were essential status symbols, medicines, and preservatives. These spices were frequently valued higher than their weight in gold. Desperate to break this monopoly, Portugal looked to the southern hemisphere, a region shown on this 15th century map as a distorted, largely blank void. To navigate this uncertainty, King Manuel I chose Vasco da Gama. A minor nobleman with a reputation for a brutally cold military temper, da Gama was selected specifically because the crown knew this mission required a ruthless survivor. This expedition was defined by geopolitical desperation, guaranteeing a journey defined by violence and high-stakes survival. Da Gama steered his 4 ships directly into the open South Atlantic. This tactical loop caught prevailing winds, but required sailing blindly into unmapped waters. This detour became the longest open ocean voyage attempted, leaving the fleet out of sight of land for over 3 months. As food rotted to dust, scurvy ravaged the crew. Men watched their gums swell over their teeth and their limbs turn black from internal bleeding. When the terrified dying crew attempted mutiny, da Gama suppressed the uprising through sheer, terrifying intimidation and iron will. The expedition survived the Atlantic strictly because its captain refused to yield to the physical and psychological toll of the crossing. After rounding the Cape of Good Hope, the fleet encountered the massive white sails of Arab dhows. They had entered a wealthy trading network dominated by Arab and African Muslim merchants. The Portuguese, conditioned by centuries of holy war in Europe, met cultural misunderstandings with immediate cannon fire and maritime violence. They pushed up the coast through a series of skirmishes, surviving only after they acquired a master Gujarati pilot in Kenya who understood the secret patterns of the Indian monsoon winds. Their survival in the Indian Ocean was achieved through a combination of hostile aggression and the forced acquisition of local expertise. With the monsoon winds at their backs, they reached Calicut on May 20, 1498. This arrival marked the first time a European fleet had connected the 2 continents by sea. Da Gama marched into the court of the local Hindu ruler, the Zamorin, fully expecting his presence to dictate the terms of trade. Instead, the wealthy Indian court openly laughed at the Portuguese. Da Gama's offerings, cheap wool cloth, hats, and brass basins, were viewed as worthless by a ruler accustomed to trading in gold and fine silks. Outmaneuvered and humiliated, da Gama was forced to sneak away, loading his ships with whatever scrap spices he could afford before fleeing. The arrival in India revealed that Europe was economically outclassed. This navigational success had become a diplomatic catastrophe. For the return trip, da Gama ignored local merchant advice regarding the deadly seasonal monsoon winds. The resulting 3-month crossing was an absolute slaughter. With scurvy killing the majority of the crew, da Gama was forced to burn one of his own ships because there weren't enough living men left to sail it. When they finally limped into Lisbon in September 1499, only 55 of the original 170 men were still alive. This discovery was bought through the near-total annihilation of the men who conducted it. Despite the mass death, the small cargo of spices da Gama brought back paid for the entire 3-year voyage multiple times over. This profit gave Portugal the leverage it needed to establish permanent forts. This single mission successfully shattered the Ottoman monopoly on the Silk Road. The ocean routes da Gama opened lead directly to the trade logistics seen in this modern cargo ship, which relies on the same maritime passages carved open by his fleet. The foundations of our world were built through the bloody endurance of a catastrophic voyage.